back to the channel, everybody. Today I have this BMW M3. It has some issues, and the problem is then this M3 is having is low power and checking light on, and the fault codes are on the screen as you can see, and these codes are related to the weight gate. This weight gate goes bad over time, causing different issues, especially low power, because the wastegate is the one in charge to limit the amount of power, the boost then goes inside the combustion chamber. Since sometimes the engine needs more or less depending on the circumstances. When this happens, the engine engine computer doesn't allow you to have the full power of your engine because it cannot control the amount of boost then the engine is receiving. So for that, you have to actually replace the wastegate actuator. The wastegate actuator is located right inside here. You can come closer over here. Right, okay, inside there, all the way there, that black component. I mean, it's very hard to see right now because it's all dark, but it's gonna be all the way there. I mean, you're gonna be able to see it very easy because it's very noticeable. It's the only black actuator you're gonna see all the way straight, and that is going to be your actuator right there. So there is two. There is one in the front and there is one in the rear. The one in the front is easier to see right there. You see it right there. That's the one. See, it is easier to see the one on the front and the rear one, but it is a job that requires not much skills. It's kind of challenging to do it because there are components that are around, so you actually have to make some room to replace some of the to replace that wastegate actuator. To remove this wastegate actuator, you have to remove a couple components. The easier way will be to go under the vehicle and remove the bottom cover, and then you're gonna have access to the actuator easier because there is less components underneath. Since this one is very, it has a lot of room underneath. But on the top, if you cannot leave the vehicle, so you can for any reason you cannot leave the vehicle, you can do it from the top area of the engine, but it's gonna be harder to do it. So because you have to remove all these components, the air filter, housing and all that. So it's gonna be a little challenging, and plus there are some bolts that are allocated underneath the wastegate actuator, and that's gonna be harder from top. So yeah, it will be better to do it underneath. So it is just a little tip for you guys, and if you wanna do it yourself, it's a pretty easy job to do. After that, you have to delete the codes. If for any reason you replace this component and the code doesn't go away, that means then probably you're gonna have another issue somewhere else. Probably wiring goes bad sometimes. Maybe a rat went in and chewed the wiring too. So it happens a lot on these vehicles, and that will be the way to actually inspect the, the system of your BMW, especially in the wastegate area. Now, after replacing it, pretty easy. You start the vehicle. The code should go away as just by clearing the code. Should go away. You can relearn it using a computer or the BMW software, but it should be able to relearn itself. Since this is not a very dedicated component that needs a specific learning procedure to work. It is just an on-off, basically actuator. Then it's controlled by computer. But this is just a little video about this M3. Later, we're gonna do a full process on how slide to remove the whole wastegate, so that way you get the details on how slide to do team by team. So stay tuned for that video. It's gonna be coming soon. So if you got any questions, just comment below. Look for me on Instagram, for my YouTube, and support the channel by subscribing and like the video.